Welcome all of you to the online periodic test 2021 tutorials. Here I am going to explain you about the online periodic test, which is between 20th July to 25th of July. It is 20 marks each paper of 30 minutes, 20 questions in each paper. It is objective MCQ based paper. Okay, MCQ standing for multiple choice question. For all the standards, firstly there is a mock test on 16th of July 8 am to 8 pm. After that you can freeze these timetables and see for standard 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Same way this is the schedule for standards 3rd, 4th, 5th. You can see for 5th standard, 3rd standard and 4th standard the timings are different. Okay. Now while attempting the test, please keep a proper posture. Use a table and chair. It should not be that you are writing the test in a sleeping position or just lazing down on a sofa. Okay, please see to it that before you start the test your devices are completely charged. It should not be that you are not having any charges and you realize and in between the test the mobile switches off. So every day charge your mobile. Also keep a very strong internet connection with you for this test. It requires a very good stable internet connection, and it would be better that you always keep a backup hotspot or a dongle. एक extra mobile का hotspot रखो या extra dongle रखो, just in case if the Wi-Fi doesn't work, you have a extra support. Always maintain a fixed quiet position in the home for this half an hour test. Okay, don't jump around from one room to the other room. एक कोना पकड़ लो, keep a corner and give this test. Parents are advised, especially for the small children, keep a watch on the kids while the test process is going on. Okay, if there is any kind of a technical glitch, you can call us. Always keep a notebook or a pen ready for rough calculation and read the question properly and answer properly. Correctly mark the question's answer. Now this test is going to be taken on a platform called as RoboAssess. How are you going to give this online test? I'll explain you the entire process. Firstly, this online test can be either given on the mobile or it can be given on the laptop in a Google Chrome. In mobile app under Android or in Apple phone also you can give. In Android you can go to Play Store, or in iOS you can go to App Store and download one app called as RoboAssess. Or if you want to give it on a laptop or a computer in Windows, then in Google Chrome you have to type this link roboassess.robomateplus.com. okay, that's for if you are going through the computer or laptop. Now in the mobile, firstly how you should be attempting the test in the mobile. If you want to go for mobile, you have to go to Play Store or App Store in your respective Android or Apple phone. Okay, once you go to the Play Store, in that you need to type name called as RoboAssess, RoboAssess. Once you get the app, this app, okay, you can install it. So under a very good internet connection, okay, install this app called as RoboAssess, and after it gets installed completely, you need to open the RoboAssess app. Once you open the RoboAssess app, it will ask you for certain access or permissions. Go on allowing the permissions. Okay, this is a temporary app. After that you can, if you want, you can come out of it. So allow all the access, whatever access the app is asking you for, so that you can give the test very smoothly. Okay, do not deny any kind of access. After allowing the access, this terms and condition page will come. Here you need to just click on this down. You can see I agree, continue. Just click on I agree, continue and move on ahead from this terms and condition page. Now once you click on I agree, you will see this dashboard. This page will come. Here you need to type the username and password which is given to you by the school teacher. Please understand, you have to enter the username and the password in the proper position. Do not click as an I am a new user or something. Okay, now once you click on that, you will see the test style. If you want to confirm that whether your login ID is properly typed or not, you have logged your ID only or not, you can click on this back button. Once you click on this back button over here, this arrow mark which is shown on the upper left corner, you will be moving on to this page where you can confirm your login ID. Okay, your login ID will come here, so you can confirm that. Now once you come over here, and if you are not able to see the test, you need to click on this yellow tile. So your standard, okay, like suppose you are in 3rd standard, so class 3 TAV, yellow tile will be there. Click on that. If you cannot see the test, you need to click on this yellow tile. Once you click on this yellow tile, don't click below here, engineering, medical, don't click here. So once you click on that yellow tile, you will see your proper test. Okay, initially now you will see a mock test which is given to you. Okay, let's understand how do you read your test. So this will be the test name. Below you can see over here from to, there will be a duration, okay, and how many questions and marks. Now mock test is a small test, it will be having 5 questions, 5 marks. But for your actual test, it will be 20 questions and 20 marks for 30 minutes. Now click on the start. Once you click on start, if you are not able to start the test and it is going like buffering like this, it may be 2 options: either your low internet connectivity or you have not given the access to the app. If you have not given to the access to the app, then you need to go to usage data access, and over there when you see RoboSS, okay, you can see over there it is not allowed, so allow the access. Once you see the start button and you're able to access, click on start to start the test. Click on skip for all these instructions because already I am giving you the instructions. You will see the question and you can see the 4 options. Please be very careful in reading the questions properly and selecting the options properly. Once you have marked, you can go to the next question. When you are finished with the test, there is an end test button down there. Okay, you need to click on that end test button, otherwise your test will not be submitted. It will ask for you a prompt whether you want to end or no, so click on yes to submit the test, and finally click on this close window to close the test. So this is how you will give the test in the mobile. You can check over here, the attempt is become 1/infinity, and you can also click over here on these 3 dots to see the solutions and the reports. So this was how to give the test on the mobile. Now on the laptop, when you go to Google, you need to type http://roboss.robometplus.com/login. You will get this red color page in front on the laptop or on the computer. Put your login ID and password and login. Then you need to click on this yellow tile, okay, the class yellow tile. So class 3 DAV you can see. Read the test and click on the test properly. Okay, once you click on this test, you need to select this checkbox and click here. Okay, otherwise your test will not start. So you have to select or check this checkbox and click on I am ready to login. Once you click on this I am ready to login, you will see the test started. You can see the question and you can mark the options. You can click on save and next to go to the next question. Please select and mark properly, check whether it is highlighted or not when you select the options. Okay, and finally you can submit the paper by clicking on this button over here. Once you submit the test, it will ask you for a prompt whether you really want to resume or end the test. So click on end test and end the test. As soon as you click on this button end test, you'll get this screen. Click on close, and that is how you complete your test. So I hope you are very clear how to give the test on the Windows. Now download and attempt the test on the same device only. You cannot attempt the test in 2 devices. So don't go on changing your device. सुबह ये मोबाइल में दिया, कल पापा के मोबाइल में दिया, परसों मम्मी के, ऐसा मत करना. Use only one device, otherwise it will be a problem for you for giving the test. It will show already logged into a device. So don't let that happen. Wish you all the best, and please take up this test very seriously, as these marks are very important and will be considered. Okay, so I hope you have understood and you are clear with the instructions for the test. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in. If there is anything, do subscribe the channel. We will be notifying you for any extra information. Please subscribe. Thank you.